Hi, my name's Howard Chantry. I'm the UK sales manager for Greencrop, and we'd like to run through the vacuum tankers that we supply, plus also the dribble bars. So behind me is the 2,400 gallon cutaway, as we call it, tanker, vacuum tanker with a large 800 by 6532 wheels. Going forward, the tank is built on a chassis, so it sits nicely down on the floor. As you can see, we have a sprung drawbar. The tank is 8mm thick, not 6mm thick, and the ends are overlapped, not butt welded, so we have technically a 16mm strengthening bars at the front and at the rear. Coming round, we have a big 11,000 litre a minute vacuum pump, followed by our top hat suction, then to our second bore trap to prevent any slurry going into the vacuum tank, vacuum pump. Here we have a full site tube, so you can see exactly what level of slurry or whatever you want to transport is in there. Each tanker comes with 15 foot of 6-inch hose with a quick fit attached coupling. Also here we have a blanking cap with a 2-inch washdown tap. Moving on round, as you can see, we have the swivel type drawbar, so the actual, if anything happens, it will swivel. Moving on back, inside we have 2 sets of baffles, so we're not having a surging of liquid going from the front to the back. On the top there's a pressure relief valve, just in case, so everything's a safety at mind. 10 stud axles, 8 axles, and then at the rear we have LED lights. We have a manual fill with quick fit couplings, so that slurry handle goes in there, pull the lever and it's totally connected. Lift that up and we then can suck the liquid. Now you can see on this tanker, the standard tanker comes with a standard splash plate, but the rules are changing by 2025. All slurry can no longer be spread above ground. It has to be on the ground or just near the ground. So this machine is a 7.5 metre dribble bar, so it has a single macerator, large macerator. The idea of these is that we can supply up to a 9 metre dribble bar to fit onto any make of tanker by a new back door. So we can take your tanker, remove the old back door, fit a new back door, and then the dribble bar will mount on that system there. Again, we adjust the height, so when the tractor is onto the tanker, we get the height. The pipes are only around about 2 inches away from the floor, which is acceptable for spreading after 2025. If you notice at the top, we have a brake back, so after the third pipe we have a brake back in case you do hit a foreign object, it will come back. You control the flow into the macerator by this handle here. Operate your hydraulic valve to let the slurry come through. Operate the valve to get the flow right into the macerators, and then the macerator can drive clockwise or anti-clockwise, which is self-sharpening, and that distributes the slurry all the way down to the arms. Again, if you wanted to at the moment until 2025, you can put another manual valve here and your splash plate, so you can still use the tanker with a splash plate or with dribble bar. So for tankers we do dribble bars from 6 metre up to 14 metre triple fold, and the umbilical range again goes from 7 metre up to 15 metre on the back of a tractor. So if you need any more information regarding the tanker, dribble bars or trailing shoes, please visit our website www.greencrop.co.uk. Thank you.